Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create a rudimentary sort of multiple choice question quiz in PowerPoint. So let's get right into it. Keep in mind, before I start, I am on PowerPoint, I think 2010, so it is not the most up-to-date version, but it does share most of the info with the latest version. It just has a couple of buttons different, but I'll go over my process and you should be able to use that for your version as well. Now, as you can see, I have created just a basic welcome to the quiz slide, and I have made one question with several answers, or in this case two, and a right answer or wrong answer slide. Keep in mind, you can set up as many answers as you want. You can have all the way from A to Z if you want, or you can have 100 answers. It completely depends, up to you. But once you have everything set up, and these are just basic text boxes, as you can see, it just has a title with question 1 and then text boxes for answer A and answer B, and as I mentioned, a right answer and a wrong answer slide. Now, what you want to do, once you've set everything up, once you've set up your questions, you want to click on the text box for the right answer. Let's say answer A is the right answer. Go into insert, go into either hyperlink or into links. It depends on your version. I'll just go into hyperlink. And then you want to make sure place in this document is selected, and make sure you link it to the slide that is the correct answer. In my case, it is slide 3, so I'll select 3, and now it is linked. And we're going to do the opposite to the answer B, or all the negative answers. You just want to link them to the wrong answer slide and click OK, and now it is done. Now, if I go into slideshow and present from the current slide, I could from the title, but that doesn't matter. As you can see, if I hover over the title of the question, nothing happens with my mouse. But if I hover over the answers, as you can see here, I can click on them. Now, if I click on A, of course, it's going to take me to the right answer. If I click on B, it's going to take me to the wrong answer. But that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.